Yep, you gave her enough love, so now she's gonna stay.
She's like, I think she's watching the sunset. Okay, I'm sorry.
Ginger's like,
I'm sorry. Hi.
Ginger, is Daddy talking to Freya?
She's like, you leave me alone. But you hit me in the face with your tail.
She's like, she looks up there at those cat pictures like,
Those are my long lost royal relatives. Okay? Miss Sir Puss-a-Lot there. Miss Queen Victoria's of the Catalonias. And Sir Lord Duke of Dukesbury.
Dukes. Our Bridgerton pictures.
And Sir Lord Bridgerton of the Catalonias.